What's up, guys? So, we're going to be taking a look at another product that I was sent. This is the 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. Now, I'm going to be fully transparent. I don't usually review automotive gadgets. That's just usually not my thing, but I figured we would go ahead and take a look. I was able to find this on Amazon, and seller contacted me and asked if I'd review it, and said sure. Now, I would show you this in a car, but currently it is like 18 degrees outside and snow. So, yeah, it's also dark out as well. Yeah, the beauties of filming your content late at night. I can say, though, it does work, but this is a bit of a bold-faced statement here. It's not really Android Auto. It's not really CarPlay either. It says high compatibility and auto connect. Wait here, let me. High compatibility, auto connect, stable performance, ultimate speed, plug and play. That is true. It's very true. And you get some more legalese here on the back. Model the ZI, USB-C to USB-A, wireless connection. That's where I marred it with a knife. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth versions. That's important. So, take a look inside. It's a 2-in-1. So you have both Apple CarPlay and Android compatible. You have your little adhesive pads that if you want to stick this down to a dashboard, you can. You got your instructions. Of course, you have your need any help and activate your warranty. And yeah, instructions are pretty straightforward. Yeah. Same types of legalese. Now, here's what we have. Usually shouldn't be a problem, but in case y'all want to read that and see what you're dealing with, that's some of your specifications. Some more there. Instructions are pretty simple, though. About what you expect for most wireless car adapters. Now, the way this performs essentially is like how those old cassette tapes you would plug into your cars when you didn't have Bluetooth adapters, or you didn't have things like wireless adapters for your car, and you wanted to listen to your own music. So you plug it into your phone. And yeah, that's pretty much what this alleviates the thing of. It's a nice looking unit. It's got a little bit of aluminum sides and finish to it. It's quite nice, really. Just plugs into your main dashboard's USB port. And you have to have a version that this is compatible with. You saw the versions in that. What you do is you plug this into your USB device, and you can do either two things with it. You can either mirror content to the screen if it's iOS, or what it's really designed for and what it's the best at is pairing audio to the device. And it's nice. It's super nice. You know, wireless adapter, you can stream your movies, you can stream your pretty much everything. And of course, you know, you'll want to look for this specific thing in your phone's settings. There's your Bluetooth name. And then you'll want to, after it pairs successfully, click Use. Here it is with Android, same deal. Same dealio. Tells you to plug it in, which is good. That's nice. You know. And yeah, like it says here, you know, it can be a bit of an upgrade to everything, which it kind of is. I mean, you know, there it explains the little device upgrade. I wouldn't go through all that really necessarily. What I would do more is just use this as it's intended for, like, you know, pairing your audio, things like that. And it's a good device. it's a nice little option if you're looking for a way of using audio or pairing some video stuff, or just in general having a nice techie gadget in your car. This is a good option. It's pretty cheap. It's pretty affordable. I'll link it down below. You can get it for super cheap. And yeah, if you're looking for a last minute Christmas gift, well, it's always a good option. I'm sure every tech lover in your life would gladly love to have a 2-in-1 wireless adapter for their car. The only thing I think its weaknesses come from is the fact that having to have a Wi-Fi connection in your car is a little difficult on some things, since most of your network providers now for phones, at least here in the States, don't offer Wi-Fi, but instead offer 5G wireless. I'm sure it would work the same way. Didn't specify it. I didn't really try the Wi-Fi part of it. I just got it to pair. It worked. I'm like, all right, cool. That's really all I had to do. So, yeah, it's not a bad device. I'll link it down below if you guys are interested in it. I will post the affiliate link. Thank you guys. Thank you, those who sent it. And I'll see y'all in the next one.